It's NAB 2022 and I'm on the Vizrt group and I'm joined by Chris Black. Hi Chris, nice to see you.
Hey, great to see you.
So we've been doing a few videos on the Vizrt group stand on NDI and new tech, and now we're talking about Vizrt. So it's been a while since we've spoken, so let's rewind 2 years and just see where you've come from in the last couple of years.
Yeah, so it has been a strange couple of years. You know, last time we were here was 2019, and we were getting ready to come to the one in 2020 when the pandemic happened. You know, we had all of this prepared. We were going to come here. I was going to have my big stage with virtual sets and AR graphics, and we're going to be yelling about that. And then, of course, that didn't happen. And so we had to figure out, how do we get in front of our customers? Well, at the same time, our customers were thinking about, how do we get back on the air when all of our people are at home? We've had something baking in the pipeline of going with cloud production. We have software-based tools. It's perfect for cloud, but it's something that we were thinking about, several years down the road.
Right, yeah.
But what I call the COVID innovation kind of jump-started everything. And so immediately, once we realized we can't come to the trade show, we couldn't get in front of our customers, we built a live streaming platform and put it all in the cloud. It's like, all right, we have a production switcher, let's get that in the cloud, and it worked.
Wow,
we have graphics, we need that, let's get that in the cloud, it works. We have automation, let's get that in the cloud, it works. And then we started using it. And then our customers started prototyping it. And today on the show here at NAB, we're showing live production in the cloud, which is all of the tools that you need for a live production in the control room, completely virtualized. And you can have it, because it's virtualized, you can have it locally on-prem, or you can have it up in the cloud. So it gives you that complete freedom that you need for being able to do your day-to-day productions, or spinning up for new broadcast, or doing things like remote production, sporting events all over the world. The tools are right there for you, and they work beautifully because we've had these 2 years to really fine-tune it and make it something that is going to be something of value to our customers.
Yeah. So what's the demographic of the customer that's looking at these tools? What sort of area? Is it sports broadcast, or is it appealing to a wider range?
Well, it's starting off with sports. Sports always seems to do the first people that jump onto some piece of innovation and give it a shot.
Yeah. Why not?
So, we're seeing live sports, major leagues here in the United States that I can't mention, using the tools in the cloud. We're having entertainment events in Europe that are using it in the cloud. Sky just did a proof of concept in Germany, where they did a handball tournament in the cloud. So sports is the first one, entertainment there. But then if you start thinking about what's coming up, we have the elections coming up in the United States pretty soon. Broadcasters may be wanting to expand their capability to be able to offer new streams that are focusing on different candidates, and by being able to spin up all these production tools in the cloud, they have everything that they need at the same quality as what they're using in-house today.
Yeah, and how, after not being in person for 2 years, how has that been received here at NAB?
It's been fantastic. Today, really busy, the second day of the show. We were booked basically every half hour to see our cloud production tools and our graphics tools that we have over here. So I think the response has been very good. A lot of the conversations that we've been having, of course, through the work that we've been doing with a number of the networks, already experimenting with it, the reception's quite good, and I think people are ready for this. Like I said, we were thinking at the people or broadcasters were going to be ready for cloud and maybe by 2025, but the pandemic has jump-started all of that, and people are thinking about it and trying to do it now. The same with IP, the same with where NDI is really skyrocketed forward because of the pandemic and people needing to just create content.
Yeah, well, I think we've covered the whole workflow here on the Vizrt group stand with NDI and NewTek and yourself. Yeah. Thank you very much indeed, Chris. It's good to talk to you in person as well. Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic to actually see you. Absolutely. And looking forward to seeing a lot more people here at NAB.
Yeah, and if they're not at NAB, where can they find out some more?
All right, so they can go to vizrt.com, and they'll be able to learn more there. But we also have a big event happening in Cardiff, Wales, June 21st and 22nd. This is Vizrt Days, and this is where we're bringing around the biggest top-tier broadcasters to one place, and we're going to have a lot of surprises there, including a brand new graphics engine. So people should be looking out for that.
And they can find all those details on the Vizrt website?
That's right.
Sounds good. Take a look at the website to find out everything that's going on, and as we said, this is one of 3 videos we've done on the Vizrt group stand. You can find all those on our NAB playlist, and for everything else we're doing at NAB, check out kitplus.com.